Man, you guys will not believe what I'm going to tell you guys in today's video. You probably seen the thumbnail and the title. It's true. It's really happening. I can't believe this, man. What's going on, YouTube, man? Thanks for tuning into another video. I know the thumbnail and the title got everybody like, yo, is this real? Yes, it is. I know it might look like a, clickbait or fake or something like that, but this is really happening. This restock on the Nike sneakers app, which we're gonna unveil and talk about everything that's coming out here shortly. Before we do, make sure you guys subscribe right now to the channel, hit the notification bell for your boys so you don't miss out on any content that we ever drop on the channel, especially videos like this where I'm telling you guys about restocks, where I'm telling you guys about shop drops, trying to help you guys out hit pairs for retail, because nobody likes to pay resale for sneakers, man. So go ahead and click a sub up, hit the notification bell, leave a huge like on today's video. Be greatly appreciated. Your boy's excited because, hey, it's a couple of pairs on this list that your boy needs himself for retail, man. All right, guys, so like I said on the thumbnail and the title, is real. We getting a crazy restock, a crazy restock for Sneakers Day, September the 9th. When I seen it, I was like, bro, there's no way they bringing all this heat out. I was like, man, there's literally just no way this is happening, and it is, bro. Like every year we get a Sneakers Day, you know what I'm saying, they bring out a bunch of crazy heat, and it's also, lets people know that everything never sells out. Like everything that Nike does produce, it never sells out all the way. They always got pairs, lined up for future restocks, stuff like this, Sneakers Day, or sneaker passes, or Jordan reserves and stuff like that. They never sell out all the way. Definitely a good marketing strategy in Nike's eyes. So the first thing that caught my eye and caught my attention was the Air Jordan 4 SB Pine Greens. I said, bruh, y'all knew was a lot of people out there that did not get pairs for retail, and they say, you know what, this Sneakers Day, we're gonna hook you guys up, but definitely a super crispy pair. Make sure you got some B-roll of this pair. The first Air Jordan 4 and SB collab to ever drop. Like I said, it might have said sold out when they dropped a couple months ago, but they knew this Sneakers Day was coming, and it is happening September the 9th. So you guys can stay forward, look forward to these Pine Green Air Jordan 4s restocking again for Sneakers Day. I'm super excited. We definitely gotta do a live cop, first one in a while, bring you guys along the way with us trying to, hit on these pairs. And this is the first one, like I said, that caught my eyes and my attention. It's gonna get to the next one that we will be seeing for Sneakers Day 2023. Probably the sneaker of the year last year, or not even probably, this was the best sneaker to drop last year, 2022. The Air Jordan 1 Lost and Found Chicago's will be restocking yet again. If you guys remember, about a month ago, we got a restock of the Lost Found Air Jordan 1s on the sneakers app, and everybody was like, you know what, I thought it was sold out. And like I told you guys earlier, nothing ever sells out. They got another crazy amount of stock for this restock for Sneakers Day. So you guys have another opportunity. I know we said second chance about 10 times. So this is your 10th chance to get a pair for retail on the Nike sneakers app. Probably, like I said, the sneaker of the year last year, and I definitely get some dope wears out of this. I love rocking them. This is that Chicago sneaker, that Chicago colorway OG. I'm loving it. So you guys stay tuned. Look forward for these Lost Found Air Jordan 1s dropping on Sneakers Day, man. And another Chicago looking sneaker that they will be restocking is the Spider-Verse Air Jordan 1. Super dope. I told you guys this probably is the best Air Jordan 1 of the year. It's still up there, you know what I'm saying? I know you got the UNC toes, but I definitely feel like this is up there as far as the dope craftsmanship, the dope details, the dope storyline and everything like that. And especially throw them sail laces in there, you definitely got a banger on feet with the Spider-Verse Next Chapter Air Jordan 1s. But these will also be on Sneakers Day. Probably, I'll say it's definitely up there as far as what everything else that is dropping. Super clean, I love them. And if I had to get some, and I don't care, I would double up on this pair. So like I said, I'm trying to go for everything. It's gonna be a heavy spending day for your boy. And throughout this video, you guys let me know what you see that is dropping on Sneakers Day. Let me know what you will be copying down below in the comment section. We will also be getting the Orange Lobster SBs restocking on Sneakers Day as well. Already got a pair. I'm not too, huge of a fan of, SBs or anything like that. I do really like this pair, but do I need to get another pair? I don't. So I'm gonna say that size now for somebody else out there. But this will also be on this Sneakers Day live. You guys probably think I'm like super cap right now, but it's definitely happening, man. And then last but not least, we already mentioned the Air Jordan 1 UNC toes. We just got this drop. We had an early drop, a shock drop, an exclusive access, a sneakers pass, and now we about to get another drop on September the 9th of the UNC toe Air Jordan 1s, man. So here you guys have it. These sold out pretty well on the release date, but I know it's gonna be some restocks and stuff like that coming very shortly. And like I said, September 9th, Sneakers Day, these joints will be on there as well. And then along with all the other sneakers that I just mentioned, the ones I do have to show you guys, they will also be dropping the reverse mocha Air Jordan 1 low Travis Scotts. They're gonna be doing the Hyoritas or Jayaritos, SB Dunks, you guys know what I'm talking about. They'll also be dropping the olive women's exclusive Travis Scott Air Jordan 1s, Tiffany Air Force 1s. They have another pair of Air Max Travis Scott's dropping, a Black Phantom Air Jordan 1 low Travis Scott black and white high 85 Air Jordan 1s. And yeah, you just have a lot of stuff coming out, a lot of stuff dropping. I don't know what's going on. This is probably the craziest restock that I've ever seen Nike do. And hey, guess what? I'm all here for it because a couple pairs on there, especially Travis Scott's, have no Travis Scott Jordans in the collection right now. So gotta go back, add a couple of them pairs in the collection, and this is a perfect day to start, you feel me? Shout out to Sniper Kick, shout out to J23, shout out to a lot of people that is talking about this restock. It's crazy. I can't wait, man. So like I said, man, every single that you did see me talk about, please let me know what you will be eyeing, what you will be going after this upcoming September 9th Sneakers Day. It's gonna be live, it's gonna be crazy. It's probably what we're gonna be talking about from here on out, because we got a couple of, Jordans releasing that's kind of, up there as far as hype. We got the Playoff 8s, we have the Palomino 1s, and I believe I think the flu games dropped a little bit after that, a little bit before. So it's a couple more, crazy drops that we're waiting on. But Sneakers Day restock is gonna be crazy. I can't wait. So like I said, you gotta sub up, hit the notification bell, follow my Twitter right now down below in the description box, so I give you guys updates on this Sneakers Day 2023. I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys for tapping in. Subscribe right now to the channel, especially if you like information like this. I know everybody like super happy, super excited for this restock. It's gonna be crazy. I can't wait. Make sure you guys leave a huge like on today's video, man. Again, I appreciate all the support. Thank you guys for tapping in. All that being said, man, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.